Hello everyone. Now we are going to start chapter 6, which is from KSSM syllabus from 4. Linear law, 6.1 linear law and non-linear relations. Okay, differentiating linear and non-linear relations. Okay, what is the mean by linear law? Linear is a equation for unknown that having power of 1, not power of 2, not power of 3, or not power of 1 over 2 or something else other than power 1. Okay, the linear law that have been learned before is the for example y equal to mx plus c is a one example of linear equation, okay, that have been learned since you are in lower form. Okay, differentiating linear and non-linear relation for graph of A and graph B. You can see clearly here the graph A is a curve, okay, curve shape, where graph B is a straight line. Okay, so curve is a non-linear relation where obtain a straight line is a linear relation. Okay, so that's the difference between linear and non-linear in the form of shape of graph. Okay, after this also we will learn the difference between linear and non-linear in equation form. Okay, safe practice 6.2. Also, we are going to do graph plotting where the value of x and y is given. And after that, we do the line of best fit. Also, will be taught after this. Okay, 6.1. Also, drawing graph. Okay, we have to draw one complete graph in graph paper for this chapter. Consists of a total of 10 marks for complete question KSSM format in paper 2. Okay, paper 2 will come out question drawing of graph, okay, including the solution consists of 10 marks. Okay, then here is the graph paper. Okay, now I want to teach you first the linear law and non-linear relations 6.2. Okay, applying linear law to non-linear relation. Okay, linear to non-linear or vice versa. Okay, method 1 and method 2. Okay, we have method 1, method 2. For example, you are given one non-linear equation. Okay, here is a non-linear equation. Why it is a non-linear? Because it is y equal to ax plus b x power negative 1, right? So x power negative 1 is non-linear. Okay, how to change it into a linear? So we have to actually remove x power negative 1, become unknown x to be power by 1 only. Okay, so the step here for method 1 is multiply both sides of the equation by x. Okay, put x at both sides and solve. Simplify, you will get xy equal to ax squared plus b. Okay, you get xy equal to ax squared plus b after you multiply both sides by x. So here, why this equation is considered as a linear? But you can see here the power of x is power of 2. Okay, this one is considered as a linear. Okay, linear or having straight line. Okay, straight line in our graph if we are using x and y axis as x square and y axis as xy. Okay, and the gradient will be equal to A, and y-intercept is equal to B. If we compare the linear equation into y equal to mx plus c, we compare y part is together with x, so that it is xy. Okay, for ax square, it will be mx since it is multiplied a n x square, so that will be part mx. Okay, b is a constant, so that the number only a constant will be c, that is y-intercept ax square. Okay, x square will be part x because we have term x. A is constant, number will be the gradient. Okay, gradient for this equation will be equal to a. Okay, y-intercept is equal to b for this equation. Okay, the straight line we will get after we substitute value x and y axis coordinate. And then method 2. Okay, same equation, also non-linear. Okay, but the step given is divide both sides by the equation of x. Okay, this part and this part is determined by students. Okay, determined by yourself. You have to decide. You have to decide whether to multiply or divide by one unknown. Okay, one variable. Variable x or variable y. So here it's same equation. Y equal to ax plus bx, same like method 1. But here is divide both sides by the equation of by x. Okay, method 1 is multiply x. Method 2 is divide x. So all terms here is divided by x. Y divided by x, ax divided by x, b over x divide by x. You will get, after we solve, we will get y over x equal to 1 over x square multiply b multiply a. And then we compare by y equal to mx plus c. This one will be y. This one will be 1 over x square multiply b, or the number only a unknown constant will be c. Okay, intercept. So the other one will be mx. But which one is m? Which one is x? Mx. B will be m, and 1 over x square will be the x-axis. So the graph will be x-axis will be 1 over x square, and y-axis will be y over x. Okay, the equation itself is actually, when you see it, what the power of x is not equal to, not power 1. But when we transfer into the graph x and y axis with not x and not y itself, if the normal graph x and y, it is linear if the equation is equal to y mx plus c. Okay, this one memang will be linear equation, linear graph, straight line, x-axis and y-axis, the plotting. And here is 1 over x square for x-axis, y over x for y-axis. How to compare, teacher? Okay, when student asks how to compare, you look at the equation. After you finish divide by x, after you finish simplify, you must get which one is y, which one is m, which one is x, which one is c. What is the meaning by y equal to mx plus c? Is actually y is x-axis, m is gradient, x is x-axis, and c is the y-intercept. Y-intercept. Okay, the method 1, method 2, we will discuss in our example after this. And we will see the solution in clearly way after this.